The fire took place in the midnight. We immediately took the measures to control the fire, called the fire brigades also. After controlling the fire, we informed our business partner as well as TATA AIG.
A large manufacturing plant in the region caught fire last night. Preliminary reports suggest that hot molten glass, which can be as hot as 600 degrees Celsius, came into contact with oil which catches fire at 200 degrees Celsius. The resulting fire has laid waste to goods, machinery, and infrastructure. Luckily, authorities have fully extinguished the fire this morning.
Hi, I am OP Pandey, CFO of AGI Greenpac Limited. This company is listed in various stock exchanges in the country. It is primarily in the business of manufacturing and selling container glass bottles to the various customers and in the various segments. The major segments where we cater to the customer requirement are pharmaceuticals, liquor, beer, and other cosmetic products. After containing the fire, we informed our insurance partner, TATA AIG, and on the next day, they appointed their team to visit our place to assess the damage. TATA AIG was quite cooperative to us, and their claim team, along with the surveyors, had made several visits to our factory and understood the incident as well as the extent of the damage. The other machines were also partially damaged. So to mitigate the extent of the damage and the claim, they suggested that some of the machines, if it can be revived and repaired quickly, then to that extent, either our business interruption as well as the claim amount can be contained. And we evaluated that suggestion with our technical team. And they also supported us in revamping the machine with the amount of the expenditure that was involved. The claim amount was in several crores, both for the damage of the assets as well as the interruption of the business. And it was settled in various tranches. Claim was settled to our satisfactions after assessing all the issues. We have a very old relationship with TATA AIG, suggested various changes as well as improvement in the policy and wider coverage. Today, we are satisfied with their services over the period. We are working with TATA AIG for quite a long time, and we have a very healthy relationship with TATA AIG. We had a good experience with them in terms of educating the customers as well as also recommending the right type of policies for our different businesses. When somebody approaches us, we'll have no hesitation in recommending TATA AIG to them.